I'm Haddad, and I've recently opened a YouTube channel that gained almost 10,000 subscribers and got monetized in just 2 months. After studying some strategies, I've learned how to create shorts that went viral within my niche. But then, the unexpected happened. Despite my initial success that gained me thousands of subscribers through shorts, it turned out that the strategy I've been using didn't benefit my channel. In fact, it ended up harming it. But how did this happen, you may be wondering? Well, YouTube Shorts are popular right now, and you've probably seen many YouTubers talking about them. And there are channels that only create short content for money. However, I've searched on YouTube for videos about the negative side of YouTube Shorts, but I couldn't find any. So I decided to create this video and share my own story to help you avoid the same dead end as me. First of all, you have to listen to my story to deeply understand this video and to not repeat the same mistake as me. I've always wanted to achieve financial freedom, so after doing my research online, I have came to the conclusion that I have to open a YouTube channel. My niche was chess, because I like the game, and I am pretty good at it. I created the channel 2 months ago with the goal of creating entertaining content and getting monetized as quickly as possible. I've been working on this channel for 8 hours a day, handling all the tasks as the video editor, thumbnail maker, shorts creator, and managing other social media pages as well. Before starting this channel, I studied other channels in my niche and learned video editing from a YouTube course. However, my first video didn't get many views, so I moved on to the next one. Unfortunately, the second video also struggled to gain views. That's when I got the idea to try YouTube Shorts, since many people were talking about their benefits and how they can skyrocket your channel. But as you might expect, my first short didn't turn out well because I was lazy, and the content I've created was not engaging nor captivating. So, after putting in some extra effort, one of my shorts blew up and gained 25,000 views and 25 subscribers within the first 24 hours. The fact that this video continued to grow and reached 55,000 views, along with gaining 36 subscribers in the first month, motivated me to create more short content. So I've started binge-watching content and learned techniques for creating high-quality shorts. As time went on, my work became harder because I had to make the videos as hyper-edited as possible, meaning I had to add subtitles, use engaging music, add sound effects to every 2 to 3 seconds, and make smooth animations. This took me 3 hours per day, and in the same time, I was working for the longer videos as well. Then, after working hard, one of my shorts exploded and went viral, receiving 1,300,000 views and gaining 1,600 subscribers. I was extremely happy because I had now reached the subscriber requirement for monetization. So, I created another short, which also went viral. The second viral short brought me 1,500,000 views and 2,600 subscribers. I felt like a YouTube star back then. But I didn't realize the importance of watch time and the impact of shorts on my channel's long-term growth. As you may already know, the watch time for shorts does not contribute to the required 4,000 public watch hours for monetization. Yes, YouTube offers the alternative of achieving 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days, but I didn't want to create a channel dedicated to only shorts. I wanted to create a community and build a large channel where I could share my love for chess in a fun way. The best way to accomplish this and earn income was by generating views on my long-form content. If you want to have an exclusively short-based channel, then perhaps what happened to me may not be as bad for you. But you must know that shorts generally generate lower ad revenue compared to long-form content. So you must take this into consideration and take my advice. As my number of subscribers grew, I started to notice that my long-form content was struggling to get views. Many of my videos were getting stuck, and I couldn't understand the reason behind it. I had almost reached 5,000 subscribers, but my long-form content was barely getting 500 views. Upon analyzing the statistics, I discovered that viewers were losing interest in my videos before reaching the halfway mark. And this was discouraging, since I had invested more time and effort into creating the longer content. I found that other creators in my niche who focused on long-form content were getting significantly more views despite having fewer subscribers. I analyzed their channels and noticed that they weren't putting in as much effort as me. Their videos having a lower quality, yet they still managed to attract a way larger audience. Then I decided to evaluate my channel and create a list to identify the problem. Shorts couldn't be the issue since they were going viral, with a retention rate of over 100%. Thumbnail quality was not a problem, as my average click-through rate was above 10%. The titles were really good, designed to inspire curiosity. The music, editing, and voices in my videos were of high quality, better than most used within my niche. So, what could be the exact problem? I thought about this question for more than 2 weeks until I finally realized the holy answer. This shocked me because I wasn't expecting it. The problem was my audience. The community I had built through YouTube Shorts was not watching or only watching a small portion of my long-form videos. Even if I tried to make the videos more engaging and of higher quality, it didn't work. It appeared that the people who watched Shorts had shorter attention spans and probably subscribed for more short content. I think some of them just forgot about my channel and never returned. You might be wondering, how can the audience backstab the channel? Well, when you start a YouTube channel, YouTube first shows your content to a small group of viewers to see how they respond. If they watch your video, and especially leave comments, YouTube takes notice and promotes your video to a wider audience. But when you have some subscribers, YouTube shows your videos to your existing community first, before deciding if they should be pushed to a larger audience. If your own subscribers don't watch or only watch a small part of your video, the YouTube algorithm assumes that they didn't like it and considers the video bad. As a result, YouTube stops promoting the video to a larger audience, creating a huge gap between your video and the intended viewers. Usually, when you post both short and long content, your channel will be split up, having two communities, one for short content and one for long content. So basically, short subscribers will kill your long content by not being interested in it. After finding the answer, I started thinking about the reason of this being a secret. Why no one is warning you and me about how shorts can actually kill our channels in the long run? Well, probably because YouTube Shorts are a risky bet. While they can gain you the subscribers for monetization, they will create a bigger problem than the subscriber count. There are a lot of videos on YouTube about how to grow your channel with shorts, but keep in mind that most of them are created only for views, and following advice from people that you don't really trust can actually harm or kill your channel, as it did to mine. And not only, there are a lot more channels out there with the same problem. So if you want to create a long-run business channel on YouTube, I don't recommend using short content as a primary way to get subscribers. Instead, what I recommend is focusing on posting long-form content and creating engaging videos to build a strong community first. And after that, you can use shorts to expand your channel, similar to what I'm doing on this channel. Create titles that will inspire curiosity, fear, or other feeling to the viewer. Pay attention to good, clean editing, just like in this video. Create a good hook and use sound effects, as they can help keep the viewer engaged. The most important part of your video is the thumbnail, so make sure to create a good-looking thumbnail or pay someone to do it for you. You can use platforms like Fiverr for this purpose. By the way, the thumbnail of this video was made on Fiverr, and if you purchase something using my link, I will receive a share, and that would help me a lot. And something I've forgotten to mention is the fact that when you have a shorts-based channel, it will be almost impossible to get any brand deals. Take mine, for example. It's not even a short-based channel. I have 10,000 subscribers, but I've received 0 sponsorships. I am really curious about you. Have you ever faced this problem? Are you in the same situation as me? If yes, leave a comment or join my Discord server to talk about this. And watch this video if you want to know 3 secrets that no one tells you about YouTube.